Hi family, how are you doing today? Hopefully everybody doing right. Hopefully everybody doing great. Thank you for your time to be with me here, listening to me, and maybe a little bit relaxing. When it's the right time, then it's the right time. When you are ready, then you are ready, and you know it. Keep enjoying day by day, every day. Be grateful for what you have. Be grateful for everything, good or bad. Doesn't matter. You have to be both. You have to experience good and bad. Let me adjust my mic a little bit. Maybe it's a little bit too far. There we go. I think that will be a little bit better. Be grateful for every moment of your life. Because we never know when it's the last one. Because we never know. Ooh, big waves coming. You never know what's gonna happen next day. Good or bad. Doesn't matter. Beautiful birds flying around, enjoying the day. Look at them. Right here, above the head. So nice. Feel free. Free yourself. Free yourself. Whew. From anything holding you back. Free yourself from your old beliefs. Free yourself what you think you know. Free yourself from anything what doesn't give you happiness. Free yourself from anything that doesn't bring you to your higher purpose. Align with your higher purpose. Align with your higher self. Maybe you're asking the question, oh, how I do that? How I align with my higher self? Maybe, just maybe, you can do what I do, let's say right now. You can just walk in the nature. What about that? Let's start simple. Because in simplicity, there is the answer to everything. Just keep walking. Keep walking in the nature. Keep walking on the street. Keep walking on the beach. Just keep walking. Or sit down and relax and do nothing. Why nothing? Well, sometimes if you do too much, it's just too much. And our body or mind or spirit cannot handle too much heaviness, too much of something. Everything has to be balanced. Sometimes doing nothing is better than just keep pushing and pushing and pushing. If you want to align your higher self, if you want to align your inner peace, your balance, sometimes doing nothing is the best option. Just being like in the meditative state, like being now in the present moment, enjoying what is now. Because do you think there is something else? Do you think there is a past? Do you think there is a future? Or it's just now? Well, I leave it the answer to you. I live now. Live in present moment. Enjoy every moment of your day, every hour, every minute, no matter what is it. Feel it. Feel the emotion. Feel the life. Feel everything. What is life bringing you? Here we go. There is a ring. And the ring is the confirmation. Confirmation. What I'm saying. Ring, 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 ring. Confirmation. What I'm saying is right. Enjoying the moment. Enjoying every minute. And be yourself. And be yourself. And be your best version of yourself. Because being yourself, only then you will really live your life. If you are not yourself, if you are playing to be somebody or something what you are not, what your soul is not aligned with, you pretending to be somebody or something, doesn't matter to me what is it, or who you are, or what you are pretending, then you are fake. Fake to yourself, fake to your soul, fake to the world. You are just fake with a mask on. Be real for once. Stay real. Just be you. Be yourself. Whatever it means for you. Be yourself. Whatever it means for you. One more time. Be yourself. Whatever it means for you. Because only then you find out what is the life about. Because only then you will align with your higher self, with your own purpose, and being really, really happy. Without everything, without anyone, just you. Because you will be aligned to your higher purpose of your life. It means being now, being in this moment, living your life, enjoying every day. Serving your purpose means living your life. Living your life every moment. Every moment. Without any purpose. You don't need to have a purpose. The purpose is to just live life. That's it. It's simple. And whatever it means for you. whatever means to live the life for you, the way you want it, the way you see it, the way you want to do things. It's only your way and nobody else. So live your life, ground yourself, align yourself to the higher purpose. That means just live, just enjoy. Look at the beautiful beach. So nice here. So amazing. People swimming. I'm already not that cold. This time of the year is really good, really refreshing. That's why I'm walking inside the water. I like to be grounded. Feels so amazing. Feels so good being in the water. Can stay here all day. Guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for being here. Have a wonderful, beautiful, and amazing day, or night, or evening, or morning, or whatever you are, wherever you are. As always, this is Peaceful Warrior Dojo. From my heart to your heart, I love you all. Sending love.